When you think of a favorite food, you probably think of pizza, burgers, or chocolate. But in the wild, the logic of a favorite meal is entirely different. For some creatures, their absolute favorite snack is a highly toxic plant, a specific part of a dangerous insect, or even something completely inanimate like rocks. Welcome back to Lisa's Animal World. Today, we are counting down 10 fascinating animals and the bizarre logic behind their favorite foods. We aren't just looking at what they eat, but the incredible secrets behind why they crave it. Make sure you stay tuned for our number one spot, because it features a fierce predator with a secret sweet tooth that completely shocked biologists. Let's jump right in.
Number 10. Koalas and eucalyptus leaves. Koalas are the ultimate picky eaters. Their absolute favorite food, and practically the only thing they eat, is eucalyptus leaves. The logic behind this is wild, because eucalyptus is highly toxic, completely fibrous, and has almost zero nutritional value to any other mammal. Koalas evolved a highly specialized digestive organ called a cecum, which contains unique bacteria that detoxifies the poison. Because the leaves give them so little energy, koalas have to sleep up to 20 hours a day just to digest their favorite snack. Number 9. Giant pandas and bamboo. Much like the koala, the giant panda is obsessed with a single food: bamboo. In fact, a panda will spend up to 12 hours a day eating it, consuming up to 80 pounds of bamboo daily. What outsmarted science for years is that pandas have the digestive system of a carnivore, meaning their bodies can barely process plant matter. To survive on their favorite green snack, they evolved a unique pseudo-thumb on their paws, specifically to grip and peel bamboo stalks with lightning speed. Number 8. Hawksbill sea turtles and toxic sea sponges. The hawksbill sea turtle patrols tropical coral reefs looking for its favorite delicacy: sea sponges. This sounds harmless, until you realize that these sponges are made of glass-like spikes called spicules and are packed with lethal toxins that can kill other marine life. The turtle's digestive tract is lined with a special thick membrane that prevents the glass spikes from tearing their stomach, allowing them to eat a poisonous diet that completely scares off competing predators. Number 7. Sea otters and sea urchins. Sea otters are famous for their love of seafood, but their absolute favorite prize is the spiky purple sea urchin. Because urchins are covered in sharp, painful needles, the otter uses precise logic. They dive to the ocean floor, grab an urchin, and use a flat rock stored in their armpit pocket as an anvil to smash the urchin open on their chest. By eating their favorite snack, otters act as nature's heroes, preventing urchins from overpopulation and saving underwater kelp forests from destruction. Number 6. Flamingos and brine shrimp. Flamingos aren't actually born pink, they are born a dull grey. Their stunning pink color comes entirely from their absolute favorite foods: brine shrimp and blue-green algae. These specific snacks are packed with a natural chemical modifier called beta-carotene. The flamingo's liver breaks down this compound into pink and orange pigment molecules, which are then deposited straight into their feathers. If a flamingo stops eating its favorite shrimp, its feathers will eventually turn completely white. Number 5. Grizzly bears and salmon brains. During the famous Alaskan salmon run, grizzly bears gather by the dozens to feast. But their favorite part of the fish changes depending on the season. Early in the summer, they eat the whole fish. But as the autumn hibernation deadline approaches, the bears use hyper-specific dietary logic. They become picky, eating only the fat-rich skin, the eggs, and the brains of the salmon, discarding the rest of the meat. This high-fat favorite section allows them to gain up to 3 pounds of fat a day to survive the freezing winter. Number 4. Fruit bats and fermented fruit. Many species of fruit bats have an extreme craving for overripe, rotting fruit. In the wild, as fruit drops and rots, natural yeasts turn the sugars into pure alcohol. While a human would get incredibly sick, these bats have evolved a superpowered metabolism that processes alcohol at record speeds. They can eat a diet of entirely fermented, alcoholic fruit and still fly through complex forest landscapes with perfect coordination and zero signs of intoxication. Number 3. Porcupines and deer antlers. Porcupines are herbivores, but they have a hidden, bizarre favorite snack: dropped animal antlers and bones. Because a porcupine's front teeth never stop growing, they need to constantly chew on hard objects to file them down. Antlers dropped by deer and elk are the perfect shape. Even better, the bones provide a massive, logical dose of calcium and phosphorus that the porcupine can't get from eating regular tree bark. Number 2. Elephants and underground salt caves. Deep in the forests of Kenya, elephants travel for miles to visit dark underground caves. They aren't hiding from the sun, they are mining their favorite dietary supplement. The cave walls are rich in natural sodium and minerals. The elephants use their massive tusks to gouge chunks of rock and salt out of the cave walls, crushing them up to eat. The elephants use their massive tusks to gouge chunks of rock and salt out of the cave walls, crushing them up to eat. This logic allows them to balance their heavily plant-based diet with vital nutrients found nowhere else. Number 1. Apex predators and wild watermelons. Landing at our number 1 spot is a fact that completely shocked safari researchers. Apex predators like lions, leopards, and cheetahs are strict carnivores. However, in the harsh Kalahari Desert, scientists discovered that these big cats have a secret favorite snack: wild tsama watermelons. The cats will actively search the desert floor for these melons, using their sharp teeth to crack them open. The logic isn't hunger, it's pure hydration. In a desert where open water holes are non-existent for months, these watermelons act as life-saving, organic water bottles for the world's fiercest hunters.
Nature's menu is full of surprises, and the logic behind an animal's favorite food is always tied directly to its survival. Which of these 10 favorite snacks surprised you the most? Was it the koala's toxic leaves or the lion's secret love for watermelons? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'll be pinning the best reply. If you want to help us smash our watch hours goal, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to Lisa's Animal World. It's free. Turn on notifications for our weekly nature adventures. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.